A major milestone has been achieved for India's first bullet train project between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. At the Vikhroli shaft in Mumbai, the first TBM cutter head has now been successfully lowered. The largest TBM cutter head ever deployed for any rail project in India. Weighing 350 tons and measuring 13.6 meters in diameters. Equipped with 84 cutter discs, 124 scrapers and 16 bucket lifts. The machine is designed to excavate rock and efficiently remove muck during tunneling operations. The Mumbai-Ahmedabad Bullet Train project includes a 21-kilometer tunnel between Bandra Kurla complex and Shilpata, including India's first ever 7-kilometer undersea rail tunnel beneath Thane Creek. Out of the total tunnel length, 5 kilometers have already been excavated using the NATM method, while the remaining 16 kilometers will be excavated using tunnel boring machines. The tunnel is being constructed as a single tube tunnel with a diameter of 13.1 meters, designed to accommodate twin tracks for high-speed train operations. A proud step towards Virasat Bharat, a true symbol of Bharat ka Garv.